Here I have a Milwaukee magnetic base drill press. This is the 4208-1. This has a swivel base on it. Alright, we have it powered up. The magnet does work. There's a little issue with the gears in the motor though. When we turn it on, it's forward. Makes an obvious noise there. Very loud noise out of the gearbox. We think that the gearbox might be a little defective. The motor itself is okay. We'll go in the opposite direction here. We can turn it up to its fullest speed here, but so we didn't want to turn it up on the highest speed here because we didn't want to do any more damage to the unit or have it seize up on us. Other than that, the base is in really good condition. Magnet works, as well as the up and down controls here. It appears to be slightly used. But it doesn't really have any real signs of use. It's in really good condition.